Wala pa ba? We're still in the airport. Guys, look what's me. We're on live. Something Rain can't eat right now.
Ano yun yun? Hey, ito's... My God. Can you babe?
No po. Pin senior mga bro.
Tip. Guys, I don't have tingog.
Hey, what's up, Nathan? That's my bro.
Hello, Nathan. Okay, foot down ba?
Tignan mo guys. Nerd. Nerd cluster. Name a country starting with S.
Singapore.
Syria, Singapore, South Sudan.
Slytherin.
What else? Sudan.
Agay, I bit my tongue. Agay.
Hi, Kuya D.
Hi, Kuya D.
Questions. Let's answer the questions.
Where?
Here.
Oh, iba yung una dun ah.
More. Hi, Kai. Nag-aaral ka po ba? Yes po. Would you date if kayo... Who would you date if kayo lang ng ututin sa world? We already answered. We already asked this question inside the house.
You didn't answer that.
I didn't answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, because, hello. Secret lang. Wala talaga akong answer.
That scared me.
Answer. Ay, answer. You ask questions dito. You see this? Dito. Hindi po. Hindi po.
Okay, read.
Hi, Homer. Hi, Nathan. Homer! What's up, Homer? I miss you.
Ba, you choose so loud talaga.
Ate Pat!
Ate Pat!
Hi, Ate Pat. Nagmana.
Ah, maganda pa, pero ang ingay ngumuya.
Who's your favorite couple? My favorite person is... Spam. Oh, damn.
Da.
It's not a dog.
Da. Oh my God.
Cebu po.
Tip.
Bitinner. Bitinner.
Uy, ito yung birthday daw oh.
Happy birthday po. What?
Stop chewing like a kandin.
Wait.
Stop eating that.
Whoever gave these, God bless you. It's so good.
That's
My
mine.
favorite. Give it
No,
to
napala naman tayo.
It's
Guam.
Guam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Capital G.
Hunter was a former listener. Tapos, siya yung architect manager now.
Shout out po.
Hey, yo.
Guys,
sa
sa mga taga Cebu dira. Ito mong SM niya.
Yeah.
Sing with me.
Excuse me.
Sing with me din kasi konti lang lines na alam ko. Bato balang
Di sa gugma.
Hey.
What's the next line, babe?
Nakanimo ng ilaga.
Wow!
Duh, best ng good ko.
Shut up, you never...
Hello, Team Kai. Hi, mates.
Hindi po, Manila po.
Manila pa po. Pwede pa kiss. You make Trisandra proud. Stop it, Nathan.
You see Nathan's face.
No.
So, minsan, pag yung point natin yung
Hi.
science, minsan,
Hi po.
magkalaban yun.
Karen in Canada. Canada. Shout out Jillian. Jillian.
Oh, hi, Jelly. So crazy. She like a connection.
Ano rin? Nagpahinga na ba kayo? Like,
Like,
happy birthday. Juice Annie.
what?
Juice Annie. What?
PR2853 bound Tarlac Cebu, Snowden Sunset passengers for boarding
That's awesome.
through gate number 12.
You have to end the live now.
Bye-bye, guys.
Philippine Airlines flight PR2853 bound
Bye-bye.
Tarlac Cebu, Snowden Sunset
Homer,
passengers
let's play
for
badminton
boarding
when we get
through
there.
gate number 12.
She's lying. You.
I can't go. I miss Homer though. Bye-bye, guys.